I'm going to show you how to do a T5BP. That stands for twist, 5 stitches, back, and purl. I've got a few of them going right now. In between each one, I have 5 rows. So you can really see it. It looks like a 4 cable using 4 stitches. But if you really look, you'll see the purls in between. And I'm right up at the one where I'm going to do it again. So I'll show you how it's done with that purl in the middle. But we're going to move that purl now. We're not going to purl this one, and I'll show you how this is done. And this is basically a cable, a way to do a cable. But if you could tell, it looked a little flatter than a normal C4B or C4F. And I will show you an example of that in a moment. All right, so we're at the cable. You're going to use 5 stitches. So I've got the next 5 stitches ready for that cable. I'm going to take my cable needle and I'm going to take 3 stitches onto the cable needle and hold it in the back. Then I'm going to knit 2 stitches from the left needle. And then I'm going to purl the next stitch, which is this first one on the cable. And you'll see that this purl stitch right here is on the end, and I will no longer purl that one. That will now be a knit stitch. So I'm going to purl this first one, and I'm going to knit the next 2. And now that purl stitch is in between the 2 knit stitches on the right and the 2 knit stitches on the left. And then I will get to the end and I will show you the difference of using 4 stitches for a cable holding it in the back. And you can see the 2 knit, the 1 purl in there, and then the 2 knit. And then this one is a C4B. So there's the same amount of rows in between before I get to the next one. So there's 5 in this one and 5 in this one, and you can tell the difference that this has a little more dimension, kind of stands up a little. It's a little thinner than this one, but then this one just kind of has more of a flatter look, which is nice. And you won't often see the T5BP in patterns. It's not highly used, but it is in some patterns, so you may come across it. Also, if you're wanting to create your own cable hat or scarf or something, this might be something you would like. This would be perfect for a scarf, because scarves you like to have lay flat, and so this is perfect for something like that. And that is how you do a T5BP. Thanks for watching.